In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile picture in Microsoft Teams, making your online presence a little more personal and recognizable. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure that by the end of our time together, you'll have a fresh and updated photo for your profile. To begin, you'll want to navigate to teams.microsoft.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This step is straightforward if you're used to accessing other Microsoft services, but if not, ensure you have your email and password handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Microsoft Teams. Now let's dive into personalizing your setting. Move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This might be a generic silhouette if you've never updated your picture before. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Change Profile Picture. It's a simple click, but it's your gateway to adding that personal touch to your online persona. Having clicked that option, you'll be directed to a screen that allows you to manipulate your profile settings. This is where you can upload a brand new photo. Look for the Upload button. This is what allows you to search for an image from your device. Once you click Upload, you'll need to navigate through your files and folders to locate the photo you wish to use. Choosing the right photo is crucial. Ideally, you want something clear and professional, especially if you're using Microsoft Teams in a work environment. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and click Open. You'll see your chosen image previewed on the screen, giving you a chance to ensure it's just right before making it official. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Save. This finalizes your choice, updating your profile with your new photo. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your presence in Microsoft Teams a bit more approachable and personal. Just remember that this small change can make a significant impact, especially in virtual meetings where your face might be one of the first things others see. Now you're all set with a newly updated profile picture that better represents you, whether in meetings, chats, or collaborations across Microsoft Teams. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial. Now it's time to get out there and show off that updated profile picture.